In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a contact in Xero step by step. Whether you're adding a new customer, supplier, or business partner, setting up contacts correctly in Xero is essential for sending invoices, tracking bills, and keeping your records organized. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely where to go, what to fill in, and how to save everything properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see an option called Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts and then select All Contacts from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the full contacts list where you can see every customer and supplier currently saved in your Xero account. In the top right-hand corner of this screen, you'll see a blue button that says Add Contact. Click on that button to start creating a new contact. This opens the contact creation form where you'll enter all the important details. The first and most important field is the contact name. This is required. Here, you'll type the company name or the individual's name, depending on who you're adding. Make sure this is accurate because this is the name that will appear on invoices, reports, and transaction records. Next, move to the primary person section. This is where you enter the first and last name of your main contact person at that company. For example, if you're working with a business, you might enter the name of your main point of contact, such as a manager or accounts payable representative. This helps you keep track of who you're communicating with. Right below that, you'll see the email field. Go ahead and type in their email address. This is especially important if you plan to send invoices, quotes, or statements directly from Xero. Having the correct email address here ensures your documents are delivered without issues. Double-check for spelling errors to avoid bounced emails later. Now, on the left-hand side of the contact form, you'll see different tabs. Click on the Financial Details tab. This section allows you to enter additional important information, such as the contact's bank account number or tax ID. Adding bank details can be useful if you're paying this contact as a supplier. Including a tax ID is helpful for compliance and accurate reporting, especially if you're dealing with registered businesses. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered. It's always a good idea to quickly scan through the name, email, and financial details to make sure everything is correct. Accurate data entry now prevents accounting mistakes later. Once you're happy with everything, click the Save button. Xero will now create the contact and add it to your contacts list. From this point on, you can use this contact when creating invoices, bills, purchase orders, or reports. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact in Xero. As you can see, the process is straightforward, but entering the correct details is key to keeping your accounting clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Xero tutorials in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.